This is the second segment of tips to living in a communal setting. One big tip is to flush the toilet and make sure that there are no fecal crumbs in the toilet bowl loose. In this picture, you see a toilet bowl almost filled with fecal material, feces that hasn't been flushed. The restroom is located in an area where 3 residents live closely. Other residents on the floor can use the restroom. It's important to flush the toilet mainly because the person who wants to use the toilet does not want to open the stool to find a stool full of feces. Number 1. Number 2, flushing the toilet after you defecate means that any COVID or aerosol bacteria that would be in the stool sample would have had a chance to go down the toilet stool or sort of dissipate in the air, so that the next person comes along does not have to flush the samples and experience any aerosols in the original stool material. The third thing is that flushing the stool is a courtesy to the person behind you. If you found the toilet clean, full of fresh water, with a clean and unsoiled toilet bowl, that makes using the stool more pleasant than finding it full of feces, a considerate person living in a communal setting would like to offer the same to the next user. If you live in a communal setting, please flush the toilet after you use the toilet. And make sure that the toilet bowl is free from fecal particles, which means that if there is a toilet brush, the toilet brush may be best used to wipe away any free particles of feces that are left in the toilet bowl or near the drain part. This is Cheryl Branch with tips for better living in a communal setting.